So we'll see what is a network first. So this is the definition of network. Network is an interconnection of two or more devices to share the information and resources. Example, files and printer. To understand this definition, we need to understand what will happen if there is no network. Okay, then you can understand this definition well. So first we will see what will happen if the devices are not connected to any network. So in this example, we are having four PCs: PC1, PC2, PC3, and PC4. PC1 is used by user 1, PC2 is used by user 2, PC3 is used by user 3, and PC4 is used by user 4. Let us say PC1 is having some files, okay, and user 2, user 3, and user 4 need these files. All the devices are not connected to network. So what is the solution? How they will get the files? They will take one external storage like external hard disk, USB drive. They will connect the external storage to this computer and they will copy and paste the files from the computer PC1 to their external storage. Then they will remove this external storage, then they will connect the external storage to their PCs and they will copy and paste the files from external storage to their PCs. So in this example, we are having only four PCs we can manage up to some extent. But in real networks, in organizations, we have hundreds of PCs, hundreds and thousands of PCs. Okay, in that scenario, it will be very difficult for you, okay, to take the files from one PC. And let us say the same PC is having one printer connected. Again, user 2, user 3, user 4, they want to print their files, they want to print their documents. Again, they are having some options to print the files. The first option is they will connect this printer to their PCs. Okay, one by one, they will take the printer to their PCs and they will connect it, then they will print the documents. The second option, they will copy and paste their files to this PC1, then they can print it. Third option, organization should purchase the printer for all the PCs. Okay, again, there are only four PCs. They can manage the things up to some extent. But if you have hundreds and thousands of PCs, it will be very difficult for you to take this printer to each and every PC or copy the files of all the PCs on one PC, then print it. Okay, and it will be very expensive if the organization has decided to purchase a separate printer for separate PC. It will be very expensive. So what is the solution here? The solution is you will connect all the devices to a network. If you see all the devices are connected to a network, and let us say user 2, user 3, user 4, they need the files from this PC. They can access it sitting on their PC. They will not go to the PC1 and they will not connect their external storage and they will not copy and paste the files from the PC to the external storage. They can access these files from their PCs. Okay. And the second problem, the printer. You can connect this printer. Okay. You will remove or you can use. Okay. The printer will be connected here and sitting on their PCs, user can print their documents. They don't need to purchase the separate printer for separate PC. They don't need to connect this printer to their PCs. Okay. If the printer is connected here, all the devices are connected to network, they can print their documents sitting on their computer. So this is the advantage of connecting the devices to a network. All right. So what is network here? As we have just discussed, it is an interconnection of two or more devices. If you see, we are having four PCs. In this example, all these PCs are connected to a network here. So it is an interconnection of two or more devices to share the information. Okay, to share the information like files and resources like printer. And what is the meaning of networking? Communication of two devices in network is called networking. So this is the advantage, this is the meaning of network and network.